Hello everyone! Last week, because we don't have so much time, I make a natural edge bowl from olive wood. This week I have less time than the last one, so we do a natural edge pear wood bowl. So let's make it! I decided to make a small change on the design because I thought that it will be very simple, so I make a little foot and change all the beauty of this little natural pear wood bowl. Let's make a time out. about 1.5 months ago. I see my friend Gil Woodturning from Australia make some offers of his bowl on eBay. So I like to support him. Also I like to have one of his creations in my collection. So I order one. But this guy is crazy. And here I have a parcel. And the little bowl that I buy is here. I love his style because I love the cracks and all this, but I also like to create. I'm very happy for this little bowl. It will be in my house. And he sent me as a gift with a parcel 3 blanks of wood. That they smell so well. I don't know what kind is it. I will ask him and I write it on the details below. And that was not enough from him. Send me also a pen blank. Thanks a lot, Gil. And now let's go back to the lathe. So here it is. My Pear naturalized bowl is ready. I'm really happy with that, and I always be happy with Pear wood because I have this velvet touch. And it's so light and delicate and in great detail, some notes and a crack that goes through. I love it, and I hope you also enjoy this video. And I will really try to be here next Sunday. So Until the next video, take care.